my name is Elaine and this is my first milestone. So far what I have accomplished is I have hooked up a fingerprint scanner to my Arduino board, and right now it's able to test whether or not a fingerprint has been enrolled or not, and if it has, it turns on this green LED light over here. So here's a demo of it. So I have already enrolled my thumb, my index, and my middle finger. So if I put my index finger here, the green LED light turns on for about 3 seconds. And then if I put my fourth finger here, it doesn't do anything as it has not been enrolled. So when doing this project, I had some difficulties with connecting the fingerprint scanner to the breadboard and connecting the breadboard to the Arduino board. So from this experience, I learned a lot about it. So one major problem I had was that the Arduino board gives an output of about 5 volts, while for the receiver, of the fingerprint scanner, it takes in about 3.3 volts. So as a result, I had to use a voltage regulator in order to decrease the voltage. And so I used 2 resistors, which are going to be each 10K ohms, because you needed 20K and I couldn't find a 20K. So while doing this, I also learned more about my fingerprint scanner, as it has 4 pins, 1 for voltage, 1 for ground, 1 for transmission, and 1 for receiving. So when connecting this up, I also had some problems with connecting the receiving end, as the resistors caused some problems. But after I was able to figure it out, it now works. So for my next step, I'm going to be using my keypad and trying to also check whether a password is correct or incorrect, and if correct, also turn on the LED light.